Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the creator of the Ultimate Weight Loss Program, and this is where I show you recipes from my book, The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, which will help you achieve healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. Today, I'm making one of my very favorite soups from page 199. It is called Smoky Butternut Bisque. It's so cold where I live in Los Angeles, it's going to get down to 46 degrees, and I'm freezing, which is why I'm wearing my sweats. So that's why I want to make soup. I'm using my 3-quart Instant Pot electric pressure cooker because that's the one that's just always on the counter. But if you only are going to get one Instant Pot, if you haven't gotten one yet, get the 8-quart. That's the best, and I really recommend it because you can do so much in it. You can fit 4 artichokes in it, and it's just really my favorite of all the 3 that I have, the 3, the 6, and the 8. So what would butternut bisque be without butternut squash? And I am using the organic frozen butternut squash. Costco sells them 5 1-pound bags, but I've seen them at every market, even Kroger's, maybe not necessarily organic, but I have seen frozen butternut squash all year round, which is great because then you can be making this soup all year round. But if you want to use a fresh butternut squash, that would be fine, but you would have to cook it first and peel it and seed it, and it's just so much easier to use frozen. I've already got my liquid in the Instant Pot. I'm using water, but if you'd rather use no sodium vegetable broth, I showed you a great recipe in a previous episode how to make that. So we're just going to dump everything in. Those are my favorite recipes, ones that I don't have to do anything. And so I've got my pears. I am using jarred pears, the ones from Trader Joe's. I got all my spices measured out in advance, which is easier. The garlic and the onion. Well, guess what? I'm going to actually have to cut the onion. I don't usually do that, but in the 3-quart, there is a little bit less room, so now I've cut it. I've put it in. I'm going to close the pressure cooker, and I am going to use manual pressure. And that's not manual pressure, it's high pressure. I'm going to use the manual button. Actually, 10 minutes. We don't need 10 minutes. 6 minutes is enough. And as soon as it's done, come back and I'll show you how to finish the soup. So after I put all the ingredients in the Instant Pot, I just got really busy. It's been, if you look at right here, the LED readout, it says 2 hours and 11 minutes. That's how much time has passed, which means the pressure has naturally released. If you're in a hurry, you can just release the pressure yourself, but I got busy, and that's what's great about the Instant Pot is that it sets itself into like a warming setting, so now it's like a crock pot, so you really can't set it, forget it. I went out and took Bailey for an hour walk, and I was working on a computer, so I just open it up, and if you come look, there's 2 side handles you want to use to clip this on, because I've seen so many people burn their Instant Pot lid by leaving it near the stove. So now I'm going to add my unsweetened non-dairy milk of choice, and believe it or not, even using vanilla can be really good. This is called a stick blender or an immersion blender, and it's really easy to use. You just poke it around and you just move it around. One thing that's important is when you're using the immersion blender, once it's on, don't lift it up because you could burn yourself. You could also do this very carefully in a blender. Every now and then I lift it up. Get that. So great because you don't have to cut anything up. So I'm going to use my little favorite tool. I've got a little piece of red onion in here that I'm going to use as a, whoa! Don't try that at home. Usually this is on the counter. This is just going to be a little bit of a garnish for the top. And I've got here my favorite organic Texmati brown rice. I like to serve this over greens. I just am out of arugula. I just got back from a trip speaking out of town, but I love to put arugula in it as well, or spinach, but I like arugula better. And this soup is very good if you're sick. It will thicken as it cools. It's delicious over a grain like brown rice or quinoa. I especially like it over wild rice. There's 2 recipes of wild rice in my book. And we'll just put a little bit of this over the top just to make it look pretty. And like a woman, it only gets better with age. So there you have it from page 199 of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, Smoky Butternut Bisque. Now before I say goodbye, I want to show you a recipe that I'm going to be teaching next year when I start my book club based on The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss. It's my new favorite recipe, banana cream pie. So if you want to learn how to make this, make sure you sign up for my mailing list at eatunprocessed.com, because people that are in the book club are going to learn this recipe, as also a few others that I am creating right now. So thanks for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I make healthy, taste delicious, so that you can have both the health and the body you so richly deserve. Thanks for watching. Bye.